Hi, everyone. I wanted to make known to all of you. So this one's for men, okay, but it's also for the women who want their men to attend, their husbands to attend. So it's not an estate planning seminar. It's a seminar on our behavior, a seminar on how we spend our money, and it's really strategic. So I've entitled it The Discipline of Not Overspending Accidentally on Purpose, Men's Edition. And the reason it's a men's edition is because it's actually going to be at a men's breakfast at Golden Harvest Baptist Church. And you'll notice the date there. It's a Saturday morning, July the 11th. And, the title, I usually, when I do this one, I call it Overspending Accidentally on Purpose. And then I have a subtitle built in there. But this is for men. And so I call it men's edition so I could be a little bit more. I think at this one, I'll feel a little bit more at ease to just be a little bit more direct with them, a little bit firmer, more tough in that sense, because we are men. And then I added the title, I added the word discipline to the title because a critical component as to why we overspend in our finances has to do with discipline. And from a topic perspective, this is basically what we're looking at here. We're going to be doing we're going to learn about kind of like what triggers our spending. We're going to learn about buying traps. There's strategies that organizations have that make it an environment which makes it difficult not to resist spending. So we're going to look at that. We're going to also look at our spending behaviors. There's a lot of emotional components and other components that impact how we're feeling, which also impacts our behavior. And we're going to have some solutions. We're going to talk about implementing systems of discipline within our overall financial situation to protect ourselves from ourselves. So that's what we're going to do. And if you are in the area and you would like to attend, it is free to attend. You just show up. If you're a man, we're going to have breakfast first at 8:30 in the morning. And then at some point following that, when the pastor says he wants to get started, we're going to move into another room for the discussion there. So I like it. I'm looking forward to it. And hopefully we can see some of you there. Take care. Have a great day.